Greetings. Captain Sterling here, presenting to you the tri-annual Hero Cook-Off. We have a few rules here. We would like you to be heroes, not zeros. We permit no transmitting or transporting of any ingredients or advice. We would like you chefs to be working alone. May the best chef win.
I am Hugo Blitz, and you are not.
Hello! It is me, Le Masked Wonder, coming to you today as Le Masked Chef of Wonder. You are not ready for this competition. It is going to be a great day of peril, happiness, success, and triumph. And that head chef, Hugo Blitz, I spit at him. He is no head chef. I am the head chef. I am the greatest chef in all of the land. But today, we will have a winner. Whether it is a chef or a cooker of the food.
Hello, and welcome to a very exciting, very thrilling, very juicy cook-off. Over here we have Rusty Brown.
Well. Looks like another cooking competition for my boy showing up and I to win. Get some, Zorgonites!
Whoa! And over here we have Show Eating Enough. Yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah, you blue alien, though. You picked the wrong fight, baby. You're taking on the main man himself, Show Enough, and his homeboy, Mr. Rusty Brown. You know when the Megaheroz show up, we're gonna show off, right? Oh, yeah, it's going down, baby. Come get some. Yeah.
Beautiful, welcome. And get ready. We have, you know them, but you don't. Or do you? We have the Zorgonites. Woo! Very, very blue, if I do say so myself, like blueberries or blue donuts. And then is Rocket Man joining us today? Oh, I guess Rocket Man's not joining. I don't know. But yes, so stay tuned to find out what's about to happen.
Today we are going to make donuts!
Yeah, baby.
Well, what is this slop? That goes in your mouth? That's not food.
These blue suckers. Yeah, you're going down, baby.
You ain't got nothing on us!
The Megaheroz are here to play, baby.
Ain't no third good messing up this competition either.
Why does the color of your face match your food? It is all blue. Everything is blue. Do you poop blue?
Hey, you know what? Rusty Brown, I've got to tell you, man, I am so sorry for hitting you, man. I was under the spell of the indigestion, baby. No, I would never fight you. You're my brother, man.
Man, it's the way you should, man. But I do gotta say, you still got it.
Yeah, baby.
And I had to ice my beak for a week.
You suck.
Yeah, come on.
You don't even know how to bake a donut.
All right, we got this, man. I call this my super duper chocolate sensation.
You call that a donut?
Show enough. What? This ain't no cake cooking competition.
What you talking about, man? We gotta beat these guys.
Yeah, I know, but it's not a cake. It's a donut cooking competition.
Do not tell me that, baby. Do not tell me that.
got us. Some idea, okay? Check this out.
No! Did you just blast a hole in the cake and make it a donut?
Chocolate cake donut, my baby.
Yeah, baby. Woo. Yeah, take that, you blue suckers.
Yeah, you ain't got nothing. You blue man ain't got nothing on us.
That's right, baby. You're going down.
Yeah.
Because when the mega heroes show up, you know we're showing off. Yeah, baby.
Whoa, I never get used to that. Oh, come on, this isn't a competition. Oh, man, I'm gonna be late. I hope these guys are okay without me. Sure enough, and Rusty Brown, I believe in you guys. Just, you can do it, All right, I'm gonna keep trying.
Hello? Anybody? Help!